Here's a quick step-by-step guide on how to set up your sauna. So inside the box you'll find one steam machine with the steam box and steam pipe, 16 B-poles with 16 B-pole connectors, 8 corner connectors with 12 A poles, and one small tent with your moisture mat and chair. Start by building your base using the B-poles, the corner pieces and the connectors. So you're going to take a corner connector and add that to the side of the B-pole, followed by another connector and another B-pole. Like so. You can then add another corner connector onto the end here, and you'll repeat that for every side until you have the base. So once you've connected the B-poles, you should have two squares that look like this. You can then move on to connecting your A-poles. So you're going to insert 3 A-poles into each corner, like so, and then take the connectors to join them all together. And finally, take the other connected B-poles and put them on top. Now you're going to grab your tent and unzip it, laying it across the floor with the bottom section pointing upwards. Now that the frame is secured, you're going to grab the rest of the tent and fit it over the top of the frame, making sure the corners are fitted correctly. Place your moisture mat into the base of the sauna, and this will just absorb any excess moisture and prevent any pooling. Now I'm going to show you how to connect your steam machine to your sauna. So you're going to start by pushing the connector piece through the gap in your sauna, with the angled edge pointing outwards and the straight pointing inwards. You're then going to use the pipe to connect the steam machine to the outside edge of the connector. So once your steam machine has been connected to the sauna, you can grab the steam box and place it inside the sauna, connecting the pipe to the straight edge of your connector. Now that your sauna is set up, you can place your chair inside the sauna and zip up the tent. Moving on to setting up your steam machine. First off, you're going to unlock the lid, like so, and fill the steam machine with water, leaving about 1 inch of space at the top. You can then close the lid, making sure that you've locked it into place, and switch the power on at the mains, and turn the machine on and up to level 9. Here you can leave it for 10 minutes to preheat, and then we recommend switching it down to level 6 or 7 before stepping into the sauna. Now it's time to step inside your sauna. And once you're done with your sauna session, it's really important to wipe down any excess moisture from inside the sauna to prevent any mold from forming. We also recommend opening up the sauna to let it air out and occasionally washing the moisture mat.